Panduit, a global leader of innovative cable management solutions, introduces the new RealSmart continuously molded ferrules and the new CT1000 semi-automatic crimping tool, delivering speed and reliability for higher volume terminations. Panduit's continuously molded ferrules on strips and the CT1000 crimping tool combine to deliver the highest quality terminations, efficiency, and lowest installed cost. Ferrules are available from 20 to 14 gauge in strips of 50. The continuously molded design provides quick, consistent placement of ferrules in the tool to ensure reliable terminations. The CT1000 semi-automatic crimping tool. Improved productivity with fewer tools required. Cuts, strips, and crimps wire in one tool. Designed for use with Panduit's new continuously molded ferrule strips. Rapid ferrule loading design. Continuously molded ferrules load conveniently into the handle of tool, significantly reducing installation time. 3-position adjustable die setting. Allows quick termination of all continuously molded ferrule sizes with a single tool for increased productivity. And it's lightweight, only 0.54 pounds, providing maximum comfort in continuous workflow operations for increased productivity and minimized repetitive stress injuries. New RealSmart continuously molded ferrules on strips deliver improved speed and reliability. Continuously molded ferrules on strips are perfect for use with the new CT1000 ferrule crimping tool. The continuously molded design provides consistent placement of ferrules in tools to ensure fast, reliable terminations. Available in 20 to 14 gauge, the ferrules feature a seamless barrel design to contain loose wire strands for superior terminations. Molded polypropylene housing meets DIN designation 46228, which provides visual indication that ferrules are installed to allow a quick and trouble-free quality inspection. They're available in a range of colors, which can help identify specific circuits, simplifying troubleshooting and maintenance. Continuous performance and productivity with Panduit's new RealSmart continuously molded ferrules on strips and CT1000 crimping tool.